Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Volvo V70 and the Mercedes E-Class, helping you decide which vehicle best suits your needs. We'll explore their core differences, from design philosophy to practical applications. Understanding these distinctions is key to making an informed choice. Let's dive into what makes each car unique and where they truly shine. When it comes to performance, the Volvo V70 focuses on reliable, everyday driving, often with front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive options. The Mercedes E-Class, however, usually delivers a more dynamic and powerful experience, with a strong emphasis on a smooth, quiet ride. You'll find the E-Class often feels more composed at higher speeds, offering a truly premium feel. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this video and finding it useful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. On another note, if you're looking to make your own meals for the week, check out these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're super handy for keeping your food fresh and organized. You can find the link and other deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Inside, the Volvo V70 is a master of practicality, providing ample space for passengers and an impressive cargo capacity, making it ideal for families or those needing to haul gear. The Mercedes E-Class, conversely, offers a more opulent cabin, featuring premium leather, wood trims, and cutting-edge infotainment systems. It's a space designed for comfort and sophistication, though with slightly less raw cargo volume. Safety is a hallmark for both manufacturers, with Volvo consistently pioneering new safety technologies. The E-Class also features comprehensive safety packages and a very solid construction. In terms of reliability, both are generally well regarded, but Mercedes can sometimes incur higher repair costs due to specialized parts and labor. Consider long-term ownership expenses when making your decision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.